Hello, everybody. This is Miss Myers from SAC Prep. I hope you know me by now. Um, this is your second tutorial video for grades kindergarten, first and second for the next assignment, one of the two assignments for the week of May 4th through May 8th. So this is your rhythm assignment. This week we're going to learn and review about rest. So let's get up to our classroom. Here we are. And if we come to classwork and we scroll on down to rhythm, you're going to see there's two new things. There's the material that you need to click on, and then your quiz. So the material that you're going to look at this week is a picture that helps describe what the rests look like. Now, don't worry about all these fancy words over here, okay? Semibrev, minim, crotchet, yeah, don't worry, Quaver, don't worry about all those, okay? And also don't worry about the eighth note, okay? Just worry about the first three. Those are the only ones that we're gonna review and learn about. So just the first one, the whole note. Whole note rest gets 4 beats, okay? And it looks like a bat or it looks like an upside down hat. That's how I learned it. The next one, the half note rest, okay? It gets 2 beats, okay? And then they say it looks like a mini car if you put wheels on it. I guess it would. Or it looks like a hat. So upside down hat is whole, hat is half. Okay, so we have whole note, half note, and then the last one that you guys need to know is the quarter note rest. And so you could see a whole note, half note, quarter note next to each one, and that should help you. So the quarter note rest gets 1 beat. So whole note gets 4, whole rest gets 4, half rest gets 2, and the quarter rest gets 1, just like I guess you could think about them as note siblings, okay? Just like whole note, half note, quarter note. Whole rest, half rest, quarter rest, okay? And the quarter rest looks like a lightning bolt. And I think that actually is a pretty good way to remember. Okay, so after you look at this and you go through this, and again, don't worry about the eighth note because we're not gonna learn that yet. After you go through this picture, then what I want you to do is I want you to come here and click on your quarter, half, whole rest quiz. So I see that 2 of you already turned it in. Click on it, and then you could see I actually put pictures of what they were before I even made this quiz. So, and then you're just gonna click and tell me how many beats of rest each one gets. So a quarter note, does it get 2, 3, or 4, or 1? Now let's talk about us for a second. Let's go down. Actually, I'm gonna go back to the picture because I do wanna talk about your whole rest, okay? Here it says it gets 4 beats, but if you remember in my classroom when I was talking about this on our word wall, um, the whole rest actually gets 3 or 4 beats depending on your time signature. So if your time signature is 4/4, it's going to get 4 beats of rest. But if your time signature is 3/4, then it's going to get 3 beats of rest. So that's why this quiz says 3 or 4 beats as a choice. Okay, that's why one of your choices is 3 or 4 beats. But if that's too confusing, just remember 1, 2, or 4. 1, 2, or 4. So you're going to click on it, and then when you click on all of them, you're going to go ahead and hit submit, and then you're done. Okay, so first you want to look at this thing. Okay, you want to look at this, and then you want to take your quiz. So that's your assignment. Okay, and we will go over this again in our Zoom meeting tomorrow from 1 to 2 for Hoey, Bayudis, and Perez's class, and then 2 to 3 for Shokri, Pena, and Zhang's class. So we will go over this. All right, thank you very much. Goodbye.